Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to top most purchased portable air conditioner of. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Your opinions are highly valued. Introducing the revolutionary GE5100 BTU portable air conditioner. With its impressive cooling capacity of up to 150 SQ. This 3-in-1 appliance offers an air conditioner, 2-speed fan, and dehumidifier, all in one. Its auto-evaporation technology means no need for draining excess water. Featuring easy-to-use digital controls with a remote and convenient features like a washable filter, 24-hour timer, and auto restart. This air conditioner provides unparalleled comfort and convenience. With its easy window installation kit and effortless mobility thanks to its easy roll casters, this GE portable air conditioner is the perfect solution for small rooms, bedrooms, offices, and studio apartments. Experience ultimate home comfort with this exceptional appliance. Introducing the Renogy 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. This 4-in-1 AC is a cooling powerhouse, perfect for hot summers and spaces with poor ventilation. With its Wi-Fi app control, you can adjust settings from anywhere, and intelligent timers let you automate operations. In cooling mode, it cools rooms up to 300 SQ. It also has sleep mode for quiet nights, fan mode for air circulation, and dehumidifier mode that removes up to 46 pints of humidity per day. It's easy to move and maintain, with 4 casters, 2 side handles, and a washable filter. Installation is a breeze with the included accessories, and its memory function stores your settings for convenience. Experience ultimate cooling comfort with Renogy portable air conditioners. Introducing the Midea 14000 BTU portable air conditioner, the ultimate solution for a comfortable and refreshing home environment. With a powerful 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, ASHRAE, and a smart control system, this portable AC effortlessly cools spaces up to 375 SQ. Enjoy an LED display and remote control for easy operation, and connect to your smartphone via the Smart Home app for control on the go. Switch between cooling, dehumidification, and heating modes. Heat mode efficient for up to 325 SQ. To maintain optimal comfort all year round. Installation is a breeze with the included exhaust hose and window kit, and multi-season functionality ensures year-round comfort. Experience clean and fresh air with the washable air filter and filter cleaning indicator. Adjust cooling based on your distance from the unit with the proximity sensing feature, and enjoy quiet operation that won't disturb your peace. Get the Midea 14000 BTU portable air conditioner today and revolutionize your indoor comfort.
Introducing the LG 10000 BTU portable air conditioner, the ultimate solution for your cooling needs. This powerful unit offers exceptional cooling coverage of up to 450 square feet, making it perfect for medium to large rooms. Its versatile 3-in-1 function allows for cooling, fan circulation, and dehumidifying. Enjoy the convenience of remote control with the LG ThinQ app compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. The LED display and 24-hour timer provide precise temperature control. The eco-friendly R32 refrigerant ensures both performance and environmental protection. Cleaning and storage are a breeze thanks to the easy-to-remove filter and included installation kit. Upgrade your comfort today with the LG 10000 BTU portable air conditioner and experience optimal cooling and convenience.
Introducing the Honeywell Smart Portable Air Conditioner and Dehumidifier. This energy-saving unit cools rooms up to 400 SQ. Control it remotely with Wi-Fi and Alexa voice commands. Technical specifications. Cools rooms up to 450 SQ. To 12,000 BTU cooling capacity. 3 fan speeds. 24-hour energy-saving timer. Thermal overload protection washable filter. Included drain pan and insulation tape stay. Comfortable and save money with the Honeywell Smart Portable Air Conditioner and Dehumidifier.